In this video we look at the unknown vaquita. The vaquita is a species of porpoise that is native to the Gulf of California in Mexico. It is also known as the Gulf of California porpoise. Vaquitas are small, with a maximum length of around 5 feet, 1.5 meters, and a weight of about 120 pounds, 55 kilograms. They have a distinctive dark ring around their eyes and dark patches on their lips and chin. Unfortunately, the vaquita is critically endangered, with only an estimated 10 to 15 individuals remaining in the wild as of 2021. The main threat to the species is entanglement in fishing gear, particularly from illegal gillnets used to catch another critically endangered species, the totoaba fish. The totoaba is highly valued for its swim bladder, which is a delicacy in China and other parts of Asia. Conservation efforts to save the vaquita have been ongoing for many years, but have faced numerous challenges. In 2017, the Mexican government launched an emergency plan to save the species, which included a 2-year ban on gillnet fishing in the vaquita's habitat. However, this ban has since been lifted, and the illegal fishing of totoaba and other species continues to threaten the vaquita's survival. In addition to fishing gear entanglement, other threats to the vaquita include pollution, habitat loss, and climate change. There is ongoing research and conservation efforts to try to save this species, including the use of acoustic monitoring, drones, and other technology to detect and prevent gillnet fishing, as well as captive breeding programs. However, the future of the vaquita remains uncertain. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Buy our shirts to support us if you want.